Come test drive the 2019 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.